Konnichiwa, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Lod's Hobby. Today, we've got another mystery anime figure to unbox. And I'm super excited because this one might be from one of my favorite anime series. Can you guess who's inside the box? Stay tuned till the end to find out. All right, here's your first clue. This character is from the anime Jujutsu Kaisen. Second clue, he has spiky pink hair in the anime. And your last clue, he also known as Sukuna's vessel. Okay, guys, who do you have in mind? Let's reveal it carefully and see who we got. Oh, wow, look at that. It's Itadori Yuji. Did you guess correctly? All right, let's open it. Guys, let me know in the comments what character you guessed before the reveal. If you enjoyed this mystery unboxing, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Lod's Hobby, and see you, Nara, in the next unboxing.